Hello everyone, this is EL6303. This is homework 5. In this video, I will figure out how to do with the homework 5 problem 1. And we will read the question is that x, y independently with fx equals to ux plus x minus 1 minus ux minus 2, fy equals to u of y minus u of y minus 1, and z equals to x plus y, and we want to find fz by two methods. First is convolution method and second is geometric method. So now we first deal with the convolution method. First we calculate fz for z equals to x plus y with fx equals to y of x minus u of x minus 1, and fy equals to u of y minus u of y minus 1. But here in the question fx is this, so we just first do the result of this one, and then make this result, shift this result to the right side by 1. And first we deal with this from this calculation, and fz is equals to fx of z convolution with fy of z, and from the definition it is equals to integral from minus infinity to infinity fx of alpha multiply with fy of z minus alpha d alpha, and we put this fx and fy into this formulation, and it is like this, and then we expand this formulation, so we get f minus infinity to infinity u of alpha multiply with u of z minus alpha d alpha, and minus here integral of minus infinity to infinity u of alpha multiply with u z minus alpha minus 1 d alpha, and the second is this, and the third is this multiply with this. Here we have general formula to determine the integral limits, and the formula is for integral minus infinity to infinity u of t minus a minus z multiply with u of z minus b, and f t z dz is equals to, you see here is the upper limit and here is the lower limit, and here is the function. So we have this one, it is equal to the integral from minus infinity to infinity f of tz dz, and multiply with u of t minus a minus b. And from this formula we can calculate this to this, and so here is the lower limit and here is the upper limit. So we have from integral 0 to z u of and d alpha and multiply with uz, and this one is also, this is the lower limit, so it's 0, this is upper limit, so it's z minus 1 and multiply with here is z minus 1. And for the third one is this is the lower limit is 1, and here is the upper limit, it is z, so and multiply with uz minus 1. And the first part is, here is the lower limit and here is the upper limit, So it's integral from 1 to z minus 1 and multiply with the u of z minus 2. Okay, so now we do the further calculation. Is in this range, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, all of the u is 1. So now we have the result. It is z multiplied the u of z minus z minus 1 multiply with u of z minus 1 multiply z minus here and plus z minus 2 multiply with u of z minus 2. So for this, we got the result is fz is equals to this one, and then we shift this result to the right side by 1. So the result is fz equals to z minus 1 multiply with u of z minus 1 and minus 2 times z minus 2 times u of z minus 2 plus z minus 3 times u of z minus 3. So this is the result of the fz of z by convolution method. And next we go to the geometric method. For capital Z, capital F, Z equals to P of Z less and equal to Z, and Z is equals to X plus Y. So this is equals to P of X plus Y less and equals to Z. And here we have that X and Y is in this range, and then when Z is less and equal to 1, so that it is in this range, and we have capital Fz of Z is equals to this area, it is half Z square, and so Fz is equals to dFz, capital Fz dz is equals to Z, and if Z is in the range of 1 to 2, the result is in this area. So capital Fz of Z is equals to this range and minus these two little range. It is half Z square minus 2 times half Z minus 1 square. So the result is minus half Z square plus 2 times Z minus 1. And Fz of Z is equals to minus Z plus 2. And if Z is greater than 2, and capital Fz is equals to 1, and Fz is equal to 0. So now we have Fz of Z is this one. And just like the previous problems, we shift this result to the right side by 1. So the result is this in this figure, and we get the Fz is equals to Z minus 1 times U of Z minus 1 minus 2 times Z minus 2 times U of Z minus 2 and plus Z minus 3 times U of Z minus 3. And so this is the problem 1.